How I created a $150,000 income machine in less than 325 days. Pig money method. Hi, my name is Addison. If you like to skip viewing this video and like to visit official website directly, then please check the first link in the description. Also, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon for future updates. Let's get started. Welcome to the passive income giant money method. Let me show you something that can change your life and bring you more money than 70% of the population. Money, for most people, is always a source of stress and worry. People work jobs they hate, get underpaid, have to be at a place they don't want to be, at the time they want you to be there, reporting to someone who probably has less IQ than you. Yeah, no thanks. What's your goal with money? For me, the goal is to have enough money to support my lifestyle and my family, and not be locked down at a desk. Enough to do the things I want, when I want, where I want, before I develop arthritis. Simple as that. I'm inviting you to learn about a very specific crypto investment strategy that I almost guarantee you either don't have a clue about or never took the time to understand. This particular strategy gives earnings daily, and thousands of people have used this as their vehicle straight to financial independence and wealth between 2021 and early 2022. You don't know what you don't know. Opportunities pass you by all the time. Here is your invitation to the know. Here is your opportunity to gain real passive income that can actually pay bills. I documented a journey that anyone can copy to change their lives. I went through a lot of trial and error to discover the best and most reliable path to an income of $150,000 in roughly 325 days on the dot. There's an actual system to this, and those are not random numbers. Everything is explained and can be repeated over and over again. The income we will be generating here is a passive and consistent revenue stream that you will take 30 minutes to set up and then 3 minutes a month to maintain and grow over time. Everything you need to succeed is here, no upsells, no BS. I hope you choose to invest in yourself. 2022 can be the year you don't have to rely on an employer as your primary source of income. If you continue to work a job, it's because you felt like it, not because you have to. For more information, please check the first link in the description.